everybody. Today we are going to interact with All India People Science Network Executive Committee member and Regional Coordinator for Samatha, Srimati Usha Rani Bairaji. Namaste Usha ji.
Namaskar.
The first thing we have to know is why education is important for a girl child.
He's saying it is very necessary for a girl child because education is the foundation and also a backbone. Like human being without backbone or the spinal cord will not even capable to walk or sit or do anything. In this way, we are thinking that education is for all, but it is more important for a girl because if you educate a boy, then only one generation will be educated. But if you educate a girl, then 4 generations will be educated. So I think it is very necessary. We have to give priority to education for the girl child.
If education is that much of important for a woman, Usha ji, please tell me what kind of education need to develop or empower the woman?
Nowadays, all the education means in the school education and the read book and have a interact with the education on that priority. But I think that it is beyond that. A very educated person should behave herself first. So in our society, the patriotic society is not given that kind of freedom to the girls to learn how to speak, how to give their right and speak about their own rights. And again, when they are going to school, what kind of education they will be wants to take, no one is not going to ask her. If it is a school or a artist or a for music, anything else, which she can be able to speak or have to educate. And Mahatma Gandhi said that if you give the education to a girl child, then she can develop herself. And now also she said if you educate the girl and she feel the freedom and she can walk in the midnight, then we think that we get the freedom of India. So girl child, why not he says about from boys? So I think that what kind of education if you ask me, I am not anyone to give the opinion what kind of education because I am a woman, I know which the woman and the girl child wants to read or given the opportunity her to what kind of education she will go, be it computer science or philosophy or anything else.
Yes.
By her choice. But the parents say we have to learn how to cook because you are going to your law's house. So this is the mindset. So I think you have given the opportunity to them to choose their education. Not we are given that kind of education is very much necessary for a culture. So I think much more better, sir. Because your background is science background,
Yes.
so I think your opinion about it, what science is help for the girl child.
Yes, madam. According to you, education is very important to a woman. Simultaneously, health is also very important.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, yes, it is.
Then what do you mean by health?
Listen, now in the area, our health is in surrounding of 3D. First, if you want anyone's healthy, he don't think how to healthy herself or himself. The scenario is going to the drugs, then doctor, then disease. It is the health. So, it is not that to be a healthy for a woman. Woman can be aware about her health from the very beginning because 3M are very much, given to the MMR is very high, malnutrition is there, and malaria is anyhow anywhere in the pregnant ladies is not aware about the medicine of the malaria. So it is very difficult to identify what kind of, and in behind of this 3M there is child marriage is MMR, IMR is because of one child marriage. That is a problem of our society. So how can you stop to child marriage and say no child marriage? And again, the child marriage and malnutrition, when a mother give birth at the time of malnutrition, the child will be a malnourished child.
Yes.
And it is circulated like this. And anyway, these 3M are also government taken priority in the village level. There is Asha, Anganwadi and ALM.
So again 3A.
Again 3A. So I compare all these things in alphabetically because that in the woman or a layman can understand by the alphabetically. So health is the most important factor. So we have to aware about it. And they from the culturally and we have some blind and myth. So because you have a science background and sometimes you have to speak about it, please given clarity about the blind.
Yeah. Well said about the woman health, madam. Now, what are the factors giving strength to a woman health?
Yes, good practice, you see, we learn how to keep clean herself from the childhood and taken the nutrition food because in our culture in the rural belt and the urban also the women are preparing food for other but taking food after the family members, male members have taken
yes.
food. So if it is little amount of they adjust it.
Is it any scientific reason to?
Yeah, because there is some scientific reason if you have a balanced food, then because of the health, it is a long time from morning to night, they walk, but they won't take any food and only water is the solution they think and they wait for the male member. So in between that, all the vaccines they feel weakness and if a pregnant lady is there, she will not take food before the in-laws or husband, then it is an impact to her health. So it is the factor. It is the factor that the community should and the family members should give her advice to take food before we take.
Yeah.
This
Along
is
with the men.
Yeah.
Yes.
And again, we think that the milk or highly protein for a meat, egg like this. No. The factor were not identify the vegetable in kitchen. I think the kitchen garden. We have a garden in our kitchen and nearby the kitchen, so it is called kitchen garden. So green
So you
vegetable.
support the kitchen garden?
Yeah. So I
so
want
give advice to maintain kitchen garden.
Yeah, it is called kitchen garden. So in the garden we have a drumstick, papaya and the green leaves and green chili, tomatoes, all these are the nutrition food.
Yes.
We have not spent highly or any high price of food is needed. And there lemon is also there, it is given the balance to the food of nutrition and iron, everything inside the home. But they don't know how to prepare it, how to boil it, how much boiling about the food. Also, second factor, they are not aware about the health, how to live.
Yeah, thank you, madam. And are there any negative minds about women education?
Yeah, in a negative attitude means so many blind beliefs are there, you know it. And all the fasting and the pujas and chandragrahanas and all these things are only for the women.
Okay, what are the negative minds on Grahana?
Yeah.
On that day, I think women will not come out.
No, pregnant.
Especially pregnant women will not come out.
They have a big concept that if the woman will become out, then the grahana someone is cutting and because it is going round and it will be cut the face and somewhere else the baby inside the house. It is not that.
In our state we used to see that in the Grahana time, even the woman won't eat or drink anything.
Yeah. Because everyone.
It's also a negative mind.
Yeah, it is also a negative mind to to clean the house and not taking food all the time. It is bad impact of mind all the human being, not in the only woman but for human being, and it is impact very much into the pregnant lady.
Some of them might have listened that pregnant woman should not eat papaya like that.
No,
Is it anything scientific?
no, it is scientifically not good.
Yeah.
Because papaya is the much more proteinated food in raw, and also in when it is yellow concept is coming in the, sometimes it will be said by some old ladies in the village that if you don't take much more this
Papaya,
Chinese, it will
yeah.
heat and it will be abort, one cause of the abortion of the child,
Yes.
or bad impact will be given to the child. But we have to take in such food which is in our, if it is in a in the time of the pregnancy she wants to take any other food, then we have to give the other food. This guava is there, watermelon is there. If the seasonal food is available anywhere, she can take. So she can be a healthy woman.
According to you, a woman can have papaya at the time of pregnancy.
Yes, yes.
She can come out.
Yeah.
And there is no need of being fasting in pujas
No,
in the name of pujas.
need of-
huh?
no need of
Yeah,
it.
yeah. They can do their work.
Yeah.
Okay. Well said about the education of a woman and the importance of health of a woman. And then now economically, is it really a factor to empower women economically?
Listen, we are already I am taking the backbone is education, and then another milestone is health. In this way, it is a factor, but not that much of important. Because if she is educated and be healthy, then she can find out the way how she can be a Rozgar Mahila, how she is be economically grow. So without education and health, it is no meaning of a family to give the empower the financially. Yes, government said the self-help group, and financially the women are empowered by making the self-help group and depositing money in the bank, and again there is a negative thing in there when they deposit the money in the bank and wants loan from the banker set so many criteria in front of them. So the poor lady again harassing and come back. But that money is given loan to the industrialists
Yes.
who are businessmen. So it is also a corruption, because the poor lady saving the money, and when she need, the banker playing the game, nasty game, to please give you this paper, that paper, not that, we need to give the loan to them. But they are without any paper, without any concern, they give the financially support the loan to the richer people and the businessman industrial. So how can you think that the financially empowered is also empowered? They can take in the state, but nowhere they got. Again, when a woman working inside the home as a tailor, she is not identified as tailor. But in the roadside, a male person is tailoring, everyone is running to near him.
Yes.
So between the gender equity is also there. If the man is in the hotel cook as a cooker, and the person are very much appreciated by the people, but inside the home, the mother, the sister are doing the same thing.
Yes.
The emotional is also with them, but no one is not going to appreciate her that you are cook good or healthy. On the opposite side, if there is salt is less in the curry, there is so much shouting that you don't even know how to cook.
Yes, yes.
So there is a difference.
Yeah.
There is a difference. If she wants to be cook in the outside, then said she is not good woman, because she is going to anyone else's house and cook as a cook. So financially, how can you think, sir? It is not that much IT section or the banking system. The girls are working there. Again I am telling, the ego is working there. If their girl is a senior officer, the male person have an inferiority complex
To work
and
out.
abusing him and torturing him mentally, then she can run away from that place and he will be occupied the place. So we need the sympathetically, educatively, mentally support to the girl as for their economically aware or economically standardized and empowered by them.
Another thing, Usha ji, I know that you are worked as a judge for 10 years, nearly 10 years,
Yeah.
5 years for family courts and 5
Yeah.
years for consumer court.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now the question is, how can a woman face sexual abusement or harassment in their office?
Yeah.
She is having any right to protect or protest them?
Yeah, first of all, we are always thinking that the women are very, poor in thinking and they are not capable to giving any answer. They are not that much of sensible. And in the office, it is not that you must have to touch the body, but some words are also, pronounced or to call and given the adjective or a name and bad misbehaving.
Yes.
All these abuse are inside the office working place abusement, and there is a law also.
Yes.
There is law, but there is no work by the law because each and every law there is a factor in the court. If she is speaking anything else, then they said the girls is the corrupt one. No one is thought that the boys is the bad. Everywhere, sir. In court also, I have a that much of experience. When the vokals are given the opposite side, they said the girls have the poor mentality. She is not good. She is not good.
used to be like that.
Yeah, but always the girls is not good. No one is acid attack. What the girl is doing? Everywhere the girls are abusing, but then also they said the girl is not good. No one is asking a question to the person who is the criminal. And again there is a case in my court and there is a rapist in the jail and the jailer convinced the girl to get married the rapist.
Oh.
So it is very bad. How can a girls will be get married to the rapist? She said that it is then okay because he raped me. But how can you speak that? Mentally can a woman ready to have a rapist to have a long time as a husband? So this is our society. This is our mentality. When I am taking the women empowerment, the people said that only the girls will sit and listen to me. No. There is a two sides of a coin. One is the Ashoka's number, another is the number. Then only it is value. If in society we are going to be empower anyone, then both sides should be given the opportunity and understanding each and
Yes.
others. So in the office also, sir, there is abusing each and everyone
Yes.
knows that each and every day there is must 2 or 3 news about the rape and abusing the girls. And why? Because the male person's mentality is not that much of well, and the mentality also created by because the patriotic society behind it. Ego is there. They think we will do anything for the girl, then only she will be blamed. I will not blame. So, and some lawyers are also fighting for them. So, I don't know how to explain about it. Everywhere we said, Prime Minister said that Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. If the Beti is bachega, then she will
Then
be.
she can break.
Yeah. In the female criticize, sex selection, each and everything. What I will tell, sir, each and every from the womb to tomb, the woman had to fight for her existence. And no society is going to look her. And if the parents had raised a voice, then they said that the girl is not your good. पहले अपना लड़की को संभालो, then ask to the question. It is our opportunity.
The question made you most emotional right now.
Yeah, because it is a
we are
fact.
suppressing a lot in this
No,
society.
in the society, because I am growing in each and every concept and a fact find of human rights and member of the Human Women Commissioner, and also a Child Rights Forum's member. So I have to learn much more about you. 3 years girl, sir, raped by a person.
Yes, it's too
And,
bad.
and also 56 years woman also rape. Is it possible? The mentality, how demon you are,
Yes.
how cruel you are. It is also gang rape. It is not inside the home, and it is very much painful. The family members are the abuser of a girl child. Inside the home she is not safe, then where she will go? In the mother's home she is not safe.
Yes.
So
The society
where-
also she is not safe.
Yeah, so where will, whom you want to empower her? If she will live, अगर वो जिंदा रहे तो पढ़े, हम तो जिंदा रहने ही नहीं देते. You have to set selection the sex and approach the child, girl child. So it is really a unfortunate time, and we have all educated people have to think about it, how and where we have a listen the voice of the girls. If she is in the home, she can ask her mother, please mama, give some time to me, I will want to live. But the society and the laws, they said if she is girl, abort it. The girl, again the woman is killing herself, her emotion, and abort it. So it is my humble request to all the society members should aware about it and give the space to a woman. She will be powerful because you worship in the temple as a goddess of
Yes,
power.
yes.
Money for the Lakshmi and Saraswati for Vidya, but in home, when your goal is birth, you are not happy. Really, really painful.
Here the sex ratio is also very
Yes,
low.
very low.
Compared
In
to
a
the
thousand,
yeah.
thousand to now in the all India
946.
basis. Yeah, it is more than that in the Punjab and the north side is 800 something is there,
That's
sir.
too bad.
So if it is not equality, sir, then it will be happen. Rape and all the acid attack, all is happen because.
Man, I used to listen one thing, I think in north some of the states, one man,
Married.
five men used to marry
Yeah,
one girl, lack of
in
woman.
the Himachal.
Is it real?
Yeah, it is Himachal and all the north, some society have people, some caste, they have one man and एक पति पांच पत्नियां. In our India Muslim community or some Raja families, they have a one Raja and so many Raniya. But now because the women are less in number, so if the elder brother married, then all three brothers will be also be a role of a husband for a own one woman. It is very much painful because she is her body, she is a subject, not an object. Subject means there is a life inside, but you use her as a object. Like एक कुर्सी में कोई भी बैठ सकता. If I want to sit on the chair now and any other one will come and sit here, so they are alive, they are living beings. No one is not going to ask her mentality, her heart, her pain. So what to do, sir? So some customs, some religious belief, and in everywhere. In Draupadi, you saw when the Vastraharani, all the people are sitting there. It is not today's history, sir. It is beyond that history times and all the people. When again the Draupadi's Vastraharani, the Sri Krishna will only the persons who give to, but all the laws are sitting there. Who give them to right to play the chase and give to the दाव में किसी को भी लगा सकते हैं. It is not today, sir. It is for the
Yeah, from the
very
long back.
beginning.
Yes,
It
yes.
is
Read in the Puranas and
yeah, but it is slowly the changes, the roofs and runs. The wine is the same. Just only you.
the bottles are
Bottles
changed.
are changed.
So women should be empowered economically also.
Yeah.
Now my question is now, is it necessary for a woman to empower politically?
Yes.
Yes.
Because 73 amendments say the 33% reservation for a woman.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
On that basis, in the panchayat level and other level, we are select the lady as a sarpanch or MLA or MP. But unfortunately, we don't give the politically sense how to plan, how to be conduct the meeting. But all the SPs are with them. SP means not superintendent police, sir, the sarpanch pati. So it is nice word to speak because the brother is there. If she is unmarried, if the married, she will be accompanied by her husband and again with the father or any male member or any higher status of the political leader, and they want to they have the doll like a key, and they put the key and they dance in their views. So it is very necessary, sir. It is not 33% reservation, it is must be 50%, but we have to give her that much of politically, mentally strong that she can take the decision what she wants to be for the people.
Yes, yes.
Some girls are coming on the basis of the politically also they have a strong motivation, but in the panchayat level it is far away, far away. So it is my submission that we have to give that much of education, how to conduct a meeting, how to plan for the panchayat. In Kerala I have seen,
Yes,
sir.
yes, I too visited Kerala.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
In each and every meeting, Gram Sabha and Pali Sabha also so strongly conducted by the women, we can't imagine. If it is possible in Kerala, why not Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa?
Yes.
So we have to aware also and give the support to the women.
Yes.
They
Now
know.
the question is, if she want to come into politics, what kind of support she is getting from the family and community and from the government?
Yeah, government said that we are giving priority to all the women. But when the meeting is coming, the MLA seat in between that, and if the woman is there, they show that the last chair.
Yes.
This is the mentality. So this is the support. In the family, if she is, reach the vote and get the vote, the other members in the community said, you give the party. And in the party, the woman is not there, the male member is there, and all the drinks and feast, everything is there. So, if you support her, how to plan, how to speak, each and every human being have the great knowledge about it, how to speak. To mentality should be, to community should be also help when she is going for a meeting, cooperate her and seat her, not just sometimes criticizing how she is not educated, how she comes to the chair, but she is coming by vote. So you have to give cooperation because she is going to have a plan for your panchayat.
Yes.
So when you are sitting for the village level, Gaon Sabha and Pali Sabha, you have to cooperate, you have to nominate her because without any cooperation of the family or the community, the woman cannot be stand as a right place. So each and everyone needs support, sir. If a male child also born, before he is walking so many times he fall down, and the girl also. So equally we think about the human being, if she will be a woman politician or a male politician. And I think she will be better because दारू पीना ये सब शायद women are not doing all these things. I think so because I am not a politician, but what I have watched, they are not that much of corrupted than the male person. So we have to take the responsibility and give them the particular support. Then they will be good politicians.
It is really very happy to speak and interact with a woman leader who stands for the woman since more than 30 years. Really, thank you, Usha Nani ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Really, we are very happy. We came to know about what is the importance of education for a woman, and economically, how should be she empowered economically and politically, and how she should be given importance for her health and education of a woman. Thank you once again for giving me your valuable suggestions and ideas to empower and develop women in this country. Thank you.
Thank you again,
Thank you.